Dear community, as you noticed, there was a significant price drop of BTCV on several exchanges on Sunday. Since then, the price has been recovering, and in this video I would like to explain to you what, in our opinion, happened. I understand that you're upset. Many of you told me so, but I want to assure you that what happened is not unusual in the cryptocurrency market, and thanks to it, we have learned some important lessons and we will be stronger for them. Let's start with why this happened. The data from major exchanges shows a large movement of coins in the minutes before the price drop. In simple words, there were too many coins being sold and too few buyers for those coins. This in turn resulted in a drop of price. Other traders may have seen this and sold even more. This led other traders to panic sell, and this in turn produced the effect that we experienced. I know that many of those people who panicked and sold coins at a loss were citizens of Mining City. They were even more disappointed when the price picked up hours later and they realized their mistake once the price had gone up. Other coins have seen drops like this before, including Bitcoin, particularly in the early days. In August 2012, the price of Bitcoin dropped by 57% in just 3 days. Also, it's worth remembering that just after Bitcoin reached its all-time high of $20,000 in 2017, the price fell steadily in the coming months. Over the next year, the price fell by a massive 83%. In all seriousness now, this was a test for Bitcoin Vault, and the security aspects and the development team behind Bitcoin Vault have proven that this is a legitimate project. Many people have asked me in personal chats whether the price of BTCV was being artificially manipulated. It grew by around 1,500% since March, and I think that this recent market behavior proves that it was not manipulated. The price of Bitcoin Vault is independent of the people behind the coin, and it is solely dependent on the valuation of the market. But it's come back up. There are enough people willing to support the project. And let's be honest, if they thought that Bitcoin Vault didn't have the potential as being the safest coin in the world, the reverse transaction function, the development potential of BTCV, we wouldn't have seen such a spectacular recovery. The support of the project proved to be very large, as we have observed a dynamic increase of price a few times on Sunday. We as Mining City brought this coin to your attention and stand behind our decisions. Let me explain. We still strongly believe that Bitcoin Vault will take the world by storm. And when I see something I like, I buy more of it, especially if the price is good. And a lot of you ask me what to do in this sort of situations, and sincerely, I should not be telling you this. I don't want or I can't even give you any advice. Your decisions are always up to you, but personally, I held on to my BTCV. Even when I saw the line turn red and dropping lower and lower, I just stuck to my guns because I know deep down that Vault is destined for greatness. And what is more, based on my best knowledge, there might be some new innovations introduced soon. The team behind the code told me that they are very close to releasing an update implementing the 3-key structure. That's right, soon the reversal of transactions with Bitcoin Vault will be available. And this is a true revolution on the crypto market. Even that's not all. Bitcoin Vault has signed a deal to be listed on the 8th exchange, and Bitmart will be offering BTCV transactions from September 7th. You might be guessing why this is important. Because it's simple. More exchanges equals higher trading volumes, equals more traders, equals more people to buy new coins, so you can sell more coins without interfering with the market. Once again, I understand why you are feeling insecure, and I am extra happy that you proved that our community is mature and wise in their decision making. Nevertheless, we see the need for more education about market movements and trading phenomena, so that you do not undertake any hasty or misguided decisions when the market becomes less predictable. This is why this is the moment to announce the new Edu series of webinars with the community. Be sure to sign up, as we want to explain to you everything you need to understand. Also, follow the social media of BTCV. Watch them. They keep releasing new exciting materials about the coin. Please remember, just keep calm, and together we grow. Thank you.